guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ann-Brit if you've never been here before, and my first passion is skincare. So we're going to talk a little bit about the cleanser first, and then I'm going to get down and dirty and show you a demo of me doing my first cleanse. So, Squalane cleanser from The Ordinary. Now, I needed to invest in a new oil cleanser for my first cleanse. So I thought, perfect opportunity, I'm already ordering serums from them, I might as well try the cleanser. Hence why I have the small size. That is my first suggestion. If you do want to purchase the cleanser, it comes in a 50ml and 150ml. This is the little 50ml, and I'm going to end up going through this pretty quick. So the price point is for 50ml it's $7.90, and for 150ml it's $19.90. So Squalane, first of all, what is it? Well, it's actually present in the human skin. We actually have it in our sebaceous glands through the sebum, and from 30 onwards it declines. So the Squalane was derived from shark liver oil. Yes, I know it sounds horrendous, right? But nowadays there's more companies like extracting comes from olive oil from plants. And what Squalane does is it helps our natural, the skin barrier, and it keeps the skin hydrated and nourished, and it's very soothing. This cleanser, it's a balm, and it turns into an oil. When it comes out, it looks like as if it's a lotion. So it's actually perfect for a first cleanse. I'm actually really liking this. Do be warned, it doesn't take, especially like mascara, that's the only thing. I wouldn't say it's the best at taking off mascara, eyeliner, stuff like that. Personally, that does not bother me. I've always double cleansed for years with my profession. I mean, double cleansing is nothing new to me. But I always have a separate eye makeup remover handy just in case. But anyway, you will see when we get down and dirty on camera. So you can use this in the AM or the PM or both. It's suitable for all skin types. Very good for dry, sensitive skin. Your skin is going to feel really nice and soothed and nourished, and it's perfect for a first cleanse, in my opinion, for a gentle cleanser. It has lipophilic esters in it, which basically dissolves the makeup, and it's kind of satisfying in a gross way when you look at the water, when you rinse your face after you've used this. Yeah. It's kind of gross to think what comes off your face, but basically, yeah, that's the purpose of this, is to dissolve the makeup, sunscreen, etc. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair back, and I'm going to show you on camera doing my first cleanse. Okay guys, so I am not taking a pea-sized amount because that will not be enough. So what you do, you rub it in your hands for 10 to 30 seconds until it turns into an oil. And then what I do is, you'll see the reason why, is I put it over my face first, and then I go over my eyes, because if I went straight over my eyes, then I'm going to make my face all black mascara, right? You just massage it into the skin. And then what I do when I come up here to my eyes, I rest. You're supposed to do that anyway with any makeup remover, is you're not going to go straight in and rub away like crazy and you know, the sensitive skin around the eye area. But you'll see I have liner to remove, mascara, the works. And I did have on my skin foundation, powder, lipstick, everything. I mean, for me it takes off the facial makeup fine. And I know I'm talking with my eyes closed, but it's because I'm just trying to loosen up this mascara. But my facial makeup, as I say, I find that it removes it all, but the mascara, no, I have to go around my eyes with a separate makeup remover. Doesn't that look lovely? It looks like a panda. And rinse off and come back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did a quick rinse, and as you can see, the makeup has came off perfect. It's just, you see how around the eye area? So yeah, I mean, this was not waterproof mascara, this was regular mascara. So as you can see guys, that was the only issue, is a little bit mascara is still left, residue. But personally, for the first cleanse, I really like this product. Okay guys, so I've just removed the excess little bit mascara residue there. So that's the only issue, is it doesn't take entirely off your eye makeup, but very easy to use. Rub between your palms, straight onto your face. You do not wet your face, and then rinse off with the water. And yeah, I mean, I really like it for a first cleanse. So I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing me my mascara all over my face. So for more great skincare videos, lots of tutorials, I love doing demos. I'm not the kind of person that just sits here and talks. So anyway, I hope you liked the content. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.